Hi guys, got a few more of my projects down from the loft. Two minis and what's that, a Ford F150 or something. That one, steering was broken. I did a fix on the steering. It's not particularly good, but it does work, and converted it to hobby grade RC. It's got no RC gear in there at the moment, no receiver, because that just sits in the back there rather than being tucked up underneath. So that's fairly easy to put some RC gear on and give it a run. These two minis I converted to hobby grade. This one I've just had a quick look at. I've actually put a temporary battery in there to check it works. That's the actual battery cover I put on there. Goes in there like that. And it takes 3 lithium-ion batteries. That's the battery pack I'd made up for it quite a long time ago. Those would be lithium-ion 18650s that I recovered from something else. Probably a laptop battery. But I've just tested that and that's completely dead. I'll put the camera on the tripod a minute. And you might be able to hear in the background, it's absolutely bucketing down with rain out there at the moment. Yeah, that's the battery I'd made up some time ago. If I connect it up to here, and that way round, you don't even get a reading off it. That's showing about half a volt in total. Let's see what the individual cells have got. Well, that one's 3.93. That's fully charged. Next one, about half a volt. And next one even less. So it looks like we've got one good cell and 2 bad ones. So I might have to have a look through my stock and see if I can find a couple of good ones to replace these with. Make up a new 3-cell. In the meantime, we'll just give it a little run with that temporary battery just so we can see that it works. I've just found I've got a 3S available. So we can run it on a 3S instead of a 2S. But we'll just have to tuck the battery around the side because it won't fit in there. Now just to add to the background noise, Nanny's got the washing machine on. Anyway, let's yeah, it appears to work, doesn't it? I don't know, are the modern minis rear-wheel drive? All the minis I know are front-wheel drive. Still, yeah, that one works. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.